Honey. Another option for snorers is honey. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, honey can reduce the swelling around the throat area that can obstruct airways. Plus, honey lubricates the throat, which prevents the snoring vibrations from occurring. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink it before bedtime. Do it daily. Alternatively, you can use honey to sweeten herbal tea that you like to drink after your dinner. Chamomile. Chamomile has well-known anti-inflammatory effects that can help stop snoring. It is also a nerve and muscle relaxant that can ease tense muscles and nerves around the throat and help you sleep better. Add 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers, or 1 chamomile tea bag, to 1 cup of water. Boil it for about 15 minutes. Strain it and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the warm tea before going to bed. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.